Here's how to get more leads from your Google business profile simply by adding your service areas. And there's a special way to add them to get this radius effect that may improve your conversions and your local leads and calls coming through. There's a lot of arguments out there from the SEO community saying that this does not actually affect your SEO, and other people saying that it might. The only thing that we do know is Google wants you to complete your profile as much as possible, and this is just one of those things on your profiles, so you might as well just fill it out as much as possible. So if you run a local service business and you target a full radius around a city and you can service people up to an hour away, what I want you to do is open ChatGPT, switch to a thinking model, and then paste in the prompt that I've got below. And then what I want you to do is change this little X here to the actual location that you've got. Where the address is, you're going to paste this address over here, and then you're going to hit enter. And so what this is going to do is it's going to find up to 20 suburbs that are within 1.5 hours driving distance, and that's just to be safe. Google actually allows you 2-hour distance, but we don't want to go anything over that. Okay, so it's returned the suburbs, and what we can do is simply copy these one at a time, go back into the location settings, click on the service area, and once you paste that in, there should be a suggestion here to choose from, and then you just do that one by one. So we can see that's been added down here. We can get rid of Newcastle, and we just keep adding one of these at a time, then click save until you've done all 20 of them. And within a couple of weeks, you should see this little radius effect pop up eventually, where Google starts to learn your service area, and I hope that helps. So if you've got any questions, let me know below. More than happy to help, and I'll see you in the next video.